Welcome to today's episode. I'm really excited to dive into a topic that's reshaping how we think about software development and collaboration, GitHub Copilot and the broader tools available for developers. If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence is influencing coding, then stay tuned. Let's kick things off with GitHub Copilot. Imagine having a super smart coding buddy right there in your integrated development environment, or IDE. Well, that's exactly what Copilot is. It's powered by advanced AI, so it helps developers by suggesting code snippets as they type. Think of it like having a friendly cheat sheet that learns from your coding style. Now you might be thinking, what does this mean for the future of coding? Well, for starters, it allows developers to focus more on creativity and problem solving, rather than getting bogged down in routine tasks. Instead of memorizing every single syntax rule or searching endlessly for documentation, they can just have Copilot suggest solutions. It's like that moment in a game where you get a power-up. It just makes everything a little smoother. Of course, there are important questions around security that we can't overlook. GitHub has integrated tools to help find and fix vulnerabilities in the code, essentially acting as a security net. This is particularly crucial because as we make coding easier, we also want to ensure our software remains secure. How comforting is it to know that even as you code quicker, there's a watchdog looking out for potential mishaps? And let's not forget about automating workflows. With the Actions feature in GitHub, developers can automate all kinds of repetitive tasks, from testing code to deploying applications. This means less time spent on the nitty-gritty and more time focusing on innovation. I mean, who wouldn't want to knock out those mundane tasks and spend more time creating new features? Moving beyond just writing code, we also have GitHub's Discussions feature, which fosters collaboration outside of just code commits. This creates a community where developers can exchange ideas, discuss best practices, and even share their coding triumphs or struggles. Imagine a coffee shop where instead of just sipping your latte, you're also brainstorming your next big coding project with friends. That's what Discussions aim to replicate. And hey, if you're into learning, GitHub also offers resources such as ebooks, webinars, and training sessions. It's a treasure trove for developers looking to improve their skills or dive into new areas. So if you're feeling a little stagnant in your coding journey, why not explore some of these resources? It could open up new pathways for you. So, as we wrap up today's episode, here's a thought. As technology continues to evolve, what do you think the next steps for development tools will be? Will we see even more integration of AI into our coding process? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, the coding world is vast, and with tools like GitHub Copilot, you have new allies in your journey to creating amazing software. Until next time, happy coding.